Mark Calvo here with Calvo Real Estate. Wanted to talk about COVID-19 and real estate and how this is affecting the transactions and kind of give you guys a little bit more information on what exactly to expect. Now, real estate's still in full force. We are considered essential workers, but a couple modifications have to happen. So one of the things, we do have clients and people who are going through transactions right now and things are going smooth, but you do have to make a couple modifications. And one of those things are when viewing a home, it depends on the city and their mandates, whether or not they're allowing homes to be viewed. And some of them are not allowing any at all, even vacant ones. So you need to contact me if you do have any questions on a specific house that you are interested in. Go ahead and let us know and we'll see if we can set something up. But I would also recommend that you just do more so a virtual tour. And most people are doing virtual tours too, which we set those up as well. And then from there you can put in an offer, which brings me to my second point, that you want to make offers contingent on a physical inspection. So you actually seen it. So you're able to jump on an opportunity. Investors do this all the time, that they're able to get into the property, see it, and the sellers can accept that offer and know that you're serious and know that you can qualify. So before they actually risk themselves in their home, they know that the person that's coming in is extremely serious and can qualify to buy that house. Okay. Now let's say you do get the offer accepted. Now you're in the transaction. Inspections is one of the things that might not happen. So home inspectors can decline, and a lot of them are no longer working at this point, but some of them are. So it's really going to be, again, on the city mandate as well as whether or not you can find an inspector who's willing to do it. Now, one thing, appraisers, though, they are part of the bank, so that is part of an essential business task, and so that's going to still happen. Now, the last thing is going to be your signing. So once you're in that transaction, the good news is most of it's all e-signatures, something that you can do from your phone or any computer. And at the very end, you probably are going to get a mobile notary come to your house, and that's really the only time you're going to have physical contact with anyone. So luckily, most of the parts of the transactions are really not affected. As far as a home inspection, if you're not able to get a home inspection, and even if you do get a home inspection, almost all properties still come with a home warranty, and that's part of the standard practice. I do recommend that you get the home warranty and you include the roof as well in the home warranty and the AC and specific items as well, to make sure that let's say you don't do the home inspection, in case something goes wrong with the property, it's covered for a year or two and you don't have to have any worries, okay? Anyways, all stuff we recommend to our clients. Give us a call if you have any questions. 714-588-5898. 714-588-5898. Thanks, guys. Bye.